up, YouTube?
I'm back.
We are back.
Yeah, what he said. So, as we mentioned in our last video, we've got more! And once again, kind of each got one, so we're doing this together because we're in the same collection. But before we get into it, if you are returning, thanks for coming back. If you're new, how you doing? Oh.
And remember, guys, because he does get this a lot in his comments, it's not a review. It's a reaction video.
Right.
So please, don't be mad at us later on in the comments because it legit says reaction video.
Right. Right. All that. And a bag of chips. So without further ado, you've read the title. You know who they is. I'm getting my box. It almost looks like a box from like a beauty collection. Like I'm ready to be like, oh look, it's my eyelid palette.
Oh my god. Well, actually true. The packaging is very simplistic towards that end, which is always tasteful.
Oh, I like this plastic situation.
It slides out just the same. So nice.
It slides out just the same.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ooh. It's one of those textured boxes.
Yeah. It's really nice.
It feels like the one from the Lux Life collection.
Yeah. It do- Don't do that on this art thing. No, we're not. I guess we're doing that.
I'm mad that it has a name down. I feel like when I was a child, I used to do that all the time, and nobody knew what the hell I was doing.
No one cared at the moment.
No one. No. No. None at all. I need to figure out why this camera's acting up today. I feel like you're acting up.
It is.
A little bit.
Oh,
our boxes. They're so petite and so small to the point that the mailman left them in my mailbox.
And they're both in the same box.
I couldn't almost take it out. My grandmother had to do it for me. Yeah, she did. But anyways, yes. I'm gonna go with this being the top because the barcode is in the bottom. I don't know. Just an assumption.
What's this gonna be?
Ooh, the inside is in white.
Oh, this is hard.
It's
Okay. It's hard. It's hard, you guys. It's hard.
Oh, but then you can slide out though. Oh. Why is underwear so appealing?
I don't know. She's gorgeous, you guys.
You know, I like the lip color better in person.
Yeah. It's really peachy.
It doesn't really photograph that well in a lot of people's photos.
And look at the detail in the underwear, though.
Oh, shit!
You don't see that in the promos, and I kind of love it more now.
Oh. Her panties are popping.
Okay, I guess you really want to see it now? Yeah.
Bam! Oh. Oh, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Let's bring her more to the center.
Isn't she gorgeous?
I don't want to blare her out with my ring light, guys. But. Oh, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
That's over there. Yeah! There's nothing like taking out a piece of chocolate. Ooh! Yes, this face in person.
Definitely.
It's just stunning. I'm gonna lift your eyelashes there, girl, a little bit. Oh my god.
Wait, what color is her manicure?
Brown, bitch, like them lips.
These are brown?
Yeah, girl.
Oh, I got French tips over here.
You do?
These ones.
Oh.
I haven't actually received an IT French tip before, so this is new for me. I usually do my own.
I'm a little gel. She has 2 different nail colors.
Yeah, she does.
I got one. Oh, you want to... Oh, sorry. I forgot. Bam. Bam.
Look at that.
Bam.
Look at that.
Bam. 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 You're stunners. Stunners, I tell you. Stunners.
Definitely.
Oh my god, I finally have a pair of stud earrings in my life.
Oh, you don't have a stud pair yet?
No, I have pearls, but I don't have studs.
Oh, I have like 3 pairs now.
No, my first pair of studs.
I guess that's what happens when you purchase from different collections.
Yes. Okay, guys, so you know the deal. If you've been to this channel, we're gonna unbox the girls outside of the camera. Then we're gonna, you know, in this case, put their shoes and their accessories. Well, they have accessories, so yeah, we're gonna accessorize them. Then we're going to talk about them a little better with the stuff on. So, we'll be back. Okay. Bye. Chill. Later. Okay. What? Okay, guys, so here's Dominique, and yes, you're not seeing incorrectly. Homegirl got a haircut in the midst of us unpacking her. From the moment I saw the promo shots, it was something that I've been envisioning. So from the moment I took her out the box, I just had to take the hair off. I just feel like it just makes her look so more cleaner, more natural, so much more straightforward and modern. I just am in love with her now with that haircut. Also, in person, the eyes are just stunning. I don't know what was happening with the promo shots, but they were looking a little odd. But it's just a clean, natural look. I cannot wait to redress her. I gotta be honest, I didn't love the shoes at first, but now I don't mind them. I need a good simple pump. You got me on a slot on. So here she is, guys. Just looking iconic now. Like, simply just... simplicity sometimes goes a long way. And this bob, I know. Everything. It's not really a bob because it's a little longer, but you get the drift, Bo. You get the drift.
And here we have the beautiful My Love Violaine Perrin close-up doll. Doesn't she look stunning, you guys? From her edgy shoes to her simple jewelry, all the way up to her elegant face. Giving you, I don't care, I look great in underwear. Right, that kind of rhymed. Kind of, sort of. Yeah. So here she is in her the hands that she came with, and they have a French tip situation going on. The other pair are the longer nails, and they have the color of her lips. Everything about her is just really simple, and that's an epic thing about her. I can't wait to redress her later.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, guys, so that was our reaction to My Love and My Essence. These stunning girls behind us. Mm-hmm. Yes, you caught this right. We were matching our outfits for the underwear. Like, why not? So, with that being said, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe because there should be some more things coming. Yay! I mean, if you're all Integrity members, then you know what's coming.
Well, yeah, you pretty much have an idea. So.
But you don't know what I purchased.
Well, yeah, that part.
Because I don't purchase everything. I don't. He don't either, but...
we do what we can. Yeah, because necessarily we don't really want to own every doll from every collection. We have our 1 and 2 dolls that make sense for us and who we are as human beings. So,
am I human?
I mean, we're kind of toning you down into one.
Oh, okay. But yeah, on that note, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.